Hi, this is Tim Santoni, and today Ben Gomez joins me. We're coming to you from Santoni headquarters here. We're talking a little bit about those questions and stumbling blocks a lot of our employers ask us in the sales process after they come on board. And we're going to break down these questions and hopefully shed some light on these topics to help you in your onboarding process, your screening process, and managing compliance and risk in your organization. So Ben's going to pepper me with questions, and so let's get started.
A lot of the clients we have, they see online instant background checks on. Is that a good form? Is that a good place to start?
There are a lot of people out there that are offering one-click instant background checks. So that is very much a search that should be raise red flags. There's no such thing as a national comprehensive instant background check. That would assume that all records, criminal or otherwise, are indexed online and are available for scraping, which just isn't the case. So it's looking at available records that are typically old. In California, for instance, out of all the counties, there's probably only 10 or 20% that actually subscribe to that database, and most of them are old and not updated. So you're really missing out on a lot of different information, and you're typically not being held accountable to authorizations and disclosures and consumer copy and other things that are required with those one-click, one-touch background checks.
Sure, fair enough.
So thank you so much for tuning into the show. If you have any questions or stumbling blocks with your employment background screening or onboarding process, please feel free to reach out to us. Leave some information in the comments below, and we look forward to connecting with you. Thanks.
We should have a blooper.
We do.
Just going at it? Trowel run? I haven't been in front of a camera like
It's
this.
red. It's blinking
Yeah.
red, right?
Actually, I think you're a little off center.
Hi, this is Tim Santoni, and today Benjamina.
Benjamina. That's gonna stick.